Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to draw a normal Pusheen the cat with no accessories whatsoever. Yes, it is her sitting, but it's still so cute. Now, she's actually laying down in this one. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I always do the wrong bin. We're going to kind of make a bean shape for her. She's a bean! Now that is there, we are just going to fill it in. This is probably going to be the shortest one because there's no clothing. But you can add clothing and a tail, but on this machine, there is no tail. It's kind of like, I always copy off something. Like, it's really cool how I can, like, look at everything, like, look at one thing, and then I can just, like, have a picture of it in my brain forever. Like, anything I see, anything. But that's pretty cool. I don't forget passwords, I know that. Okay, so there we go. Perfect. Color in these guys mostly, and then we'll do one more color in. Maybe this video will be a little long, but not much. Nada. Okay, there you go. Now you guys can add ear holes if you want to, but I do not like to. Well, I do, but I don't do it much. There we go. And there's our mouth. Now the paws go up here. For goodness sakes. There we go. And then we will add the tail because I want to. And then we'll fill that in. And then we're done. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So glad to see you guys again. And don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys enjoyed this. You know you want to, because there's also way more of these coming up soon. Well, bye guys. See you next time. Bye.